The CE-CPUPM is a universal pendant mount solution designed to simplify and speed up installation. It's ideal for cameras, sensors, access points, and other ceiling mounted devices. Its flexible design makes it easy to mount a wide variety of products without the need for custom brackets or adapters. Simply align the device to the mounting plate, secure it with the included self-tapping screws, and cam lock it into place on the top of the pendant cap for a quick, secure installation. Designed for rapid installation in commercial and retail environments, the CE-CPUPM supports nearly any hole pattern up to 4 3/4 inches in diameter. It works with microdomes, mini domes, turret cameras, fisheye cameras, motion sensors, access points, and multi-sensor cameras. The mount supports both center cable pass-through and side cable port devices for maximum compatibility. Installation is simple and flexible. The CE-CPUPM mounts directly to all CP series telescoping camera poles or any standard 1.5" female NPS fitting. Available in both white and black finishes, the CE-CPUPM delivers a clean, secure, and highly versatile pendant mount solution for a wide variety of devices.